I'd like to request Honorable Member of Parliament Shri Vijay Sai Reddy ji, a very senior leader who understands the decorum of Parliament, understands the importance of continuity and starting the discussions on this very important subject which has affected the whole world. It's not about one state, another state, a political party or another party. Here we are discussing something which relates to humanity. And all of mankind is concerned about COVID. I would like to request my friend and colleague Shri Vijay Sai Reddy ji that he should take this matter up with the chairman. Ultimately, the deputy chairman has also mentioned that the chairman in the morning has ruled on this subject. And we shall also discuss with you your concerns. But I would like to appeal to you to allow the House to discuss this very important subject that's affecting the whole world today. All of India is watching us, watching this debate on COVID. And my request is that you may kindly help us to discuss this important matter, participate in this debate, tell us about how Andhra Pradesh also faced this and tackled this COVID, give us some good guidance for the nation to also benefit from your own experiences. And let us have this in a very positive and friendly manner, this debate, in the interest of the nation. And kindly take this up with the chairman, your adjournment motion at a later date. Thank you.
मेरा आग्रह है आप प्लीज सीट पर जाएं। यहाँ खड़ा होकर प्लीज बातचीत न करें। कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगी। प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाएं। प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाएं। प्लीज अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं। प्लीज विजय सर जी, कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। प्लीज गो बैक। यह निवेदन चेयर का भी निवेदन है आपसे। ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है, महत्वपूर्ण विषय इस पर बोले आप। प्लीज मैं बार अपील कर रहा हूं आपसे, निवेदन कर रहा हूं, गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। Back to your seats. बैठे। प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सीट्स। यह अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है।